So the methods to getting a non-biased sample. Well, method one, getting volunteers from an advert in a lifestyle magazine. You'll only get people who are interested in that lifestyle magazine. So that's not really non-biased. It's definitely biased towards people who read that magazine. Looking at method three, a poster up in a gym. You're only going to get people who are going to the gym. So that's not a non-biased sample. It's biased towards people who go to that gym. And method four, ask people randomly at midday in town centres. Again, it's biased against people who don't go to town centres at midday. And chances are, if it's a weekday, then people who work aren't going to be in the town centre. It might be biased towards the older generations or the younger generations, rather than people of working age, potentially. So method two seems the better one, or best one of these. Picking people randomly from an electoral role seems the best that is there.